Okay, I'm out in the countryside and they've sent a helicopter. I don't know what's going off, but they've sent a helicopter up. It's not pleasant. I'm waiting for it to go, but it's staying. Hope it runs out of fuel soon. It's getting on my nerves. I can hear it though. It's flying about. I don't know if you can see it, but it's up there. Just in the surrounding area. I don't know if they're watching me or something, but it's not pleasant one bit. I was camping out here a few weeks ago. You can hear it. It's not nice. It won't leave. It's just hovering around. See, it's coming up there. I don't know what they want. Well, they're just hovering around like they're looking for something. I must wait until it goes. So I get covered in midges here. They're covered in them. Bastards. Oh, I'm getting sniped by midges. I can still hear it. It's still in the distance. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm guessing it's noise campaign. Or to try and instill fear. Something like that. For a pass over or what? Still hovering about. Just making a racket. I don't have my phone, so I can't really get higher quality camera footage of what's going on. Oh, son of a bitch. I'm getting bitten to death here. Yeah, that's the police helicopter. Is it going? I'm not sure. Not sure if it's going or not. I'm gonna have to move. There's just too many midges here. I'm getting bitten out of my mouth. I heard people at the bottom before they called it in, and two cyclists were on the road, sorry, on this path, watching me, so I'd imagine they were the ones that called it in, I'm guessing, presume, I don't know. It's hectic though. I think it's going now. I could be wrong, but I don't know. Oh no, I can still hear it. Yeah, it's in the distance still. Yeah, I can hear it again. Fucking bastards. Yeah, it's still round in the distance. Snide idiot. The fuck is still here? It might be coming back. I don't know. It's still fucking in. Still about. It was just that direction where I'm pointing it now. I don't know if you can hear it on this thing, but they're about big time. Pause it and make another